Have you ever set a chore to repeat every 7 days and then missed it? Maybe vacuuming, maybe cleaning the bathroom, maybe changing the furnace filter. Life gets busy, you do it 3 days late, and suddenly your schedule doesn't make sense anymore. Most task and chore apps handle recurring tasks the same way. If a task is due every 7 days, it stays on that fixed schedule forever. So if you complete it late, the next due date might be only a few days away. Or if you complete it early, you lose part of your interval. The schedule slowly becomes disconnected from reality. Due January 1st? Due January 8th? Actually completed January 11th? Next due January 15th. Wait, I just did it 4 days ago. That's exactly why I built Chore Master. In Chore Master, recurring tasks are scheduled from the day you actually complete them. Vacuum every 7 days. Finish today? Great. Next reminder is 7 days from today. No calculations. No adjusting schedules. No weird overdue chains. It simply matches real life. Let's say your furnace filter should be changed every 90 days. You plan to do it April 1st. But life happened and you actually changed it April 20th. Most apps would still count from April 1st. Chore Master counts from April 20th. Because that's when the work was actually done. There's another feature I personally use all the time. The app tracks your completion history. If you plan to task every 7 days but you consistently do it every 10 days, Chore Master can show your actual average completion period. It helps you build schedules based on reality instead of wishful thinking. I built Chore Master because I was tired of fighting my task list. I wanted a simple chore app that worked the way people actually live. If your recurring tasks always feel out of sync, give Chore Master a try.